Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be discussing about all marketing products available in Salesforce, part of Marketing Cloud Growth Edition series. I have already provided an elaborate video on who I am. If you have not checked, please go and check. Also, you can connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter to discuss on Marketing Cloud, Data Cloud, and Agentforce. As a practice, before starting this discussion, let's thank someone who helped us in our journey. A quote that is more apt is "An attitude of gratitude is life's most powerful affirmation" by Angie Karen Krezos. We are in episode 3 to uncover concepts related to Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. First, we will understand basic concepts of marketing today. Quick intro about SFMC Stories. Started as a website where the blogs are focused on SFMC exact target or Marketing Cloud engagement, and future plan is to cover use cases best practices related to Marketing Cloud on core and any upcoming products in Salesforce marketing ecosystem. All right. So first of all, what is marketing? Few years ago, there were marketing team from some brands who used to sell products to your doorstep. You also might have received or seen advertisements on newspapers, medias like TV, radio, etc. Those were the classic method of marketing. As the technology evolved, we are here in the artificial intelligence era, where we get updates about a product launch instantly on our mobile phones, either via email, SMS, or sometimes through advertisement that you see when you watch a YouTube video, Instagram reel, etc. All this is termed as marketing approach for a brand. Now, what is marketing automation? Whatever we discussed is interconnected. Say, for example, when you sign up for a brand, you will get notification, nothing but a newsletter. And based on your engagement with the email, when we say engagement, that is nothing but opening up of that email or clicking any of the URL or the link within that particular email is considered as engagement. And when you engage with that email, you might receive further communication from the brand. It can be an email, SMS, ad, or WhatsApp notification. All this involves automation, and you can term this process as marketing automation. All right. How you can choose which is the right marketing automation tool? So, it depends on certain factors. First, customers. What type of customers you are serving? What is their interest? What type of communication they are willing to receive from your brand? Next, usability. How would you like to use the tool from marketing perspective? Who will be the users working on it? What is their skill set? Then scalability. How frequently there is a rise in your customer database? How you would position your brand in next 2 years? How scalable your approach should be? All these things will come under scalability. Then pricing. This is one crucial factor you need to understand how much money you can spend on marketing tool, and based on the price what features you will get in the long run, whether that tool helps you or not. All these things you need to consider when planning anything related to pricing. Then technology stack. How you will place marketing in your current technology stack? How crucial is marketing for your business? And finally, business type and needs, which is very important factor or consideration that you will keep in mind while choosing marketing automation tool. We will elaborate more on this topic, that is business type and needs. Basically, we have three major types of business, starting with business to business, which is termed as B2B. which helps brands that wanted to communicate with their partners, customers, co-brand, whoever is also considered as a business. So here, one business communicating with another business is termed as B2B. Like there is a big hotel reservation brand communicating with an hotel that it is listed in their website or in their portal. That is again a business to business communication. Likewise, financial brand, which is communicating with a loan vendor or any third party vendors. So that is again a business to business communication. Then the second type is business to consumer or customer, which is again termed as B2C. More often, we will be getting communication similar to this type as we are considered as end users or consumers of a product or a brand. Businesses will be talking to customers directly here. You can take any newsletter, promotional communication that you receive from any brand of your interest. This is nothing but a B2C communication or a business to consumer or a customer communication. Then the last one here in the list is small and medium sized business, or in short, it is called as SMB. This would be like a combination of both B2C and B2B. But based on the revenue this business generates or number of employees they own, brand will be considered as SMB, that is small and medium sized business. They can have both B2B and B2C type of communication, but somehow more aligned towards B2B, or in other words, SMB can align more on B2B type of communication easily. We do have other types based on the industries as well, like financial brand, hospitality related, healthcare related business, beauty and cosmetics, retail, D2C. All these types are again considered as different types of business available today. And these are the factors, whichever we discussed in the previous section, that you will be considering while choosing a marketing tool. Okay, let's move on. Here we have history of marketing tools in Salesforce ecosystem. Let's go back few years. In the year 2007, Pardot was launched, which is altogether a standalone platform which was supporting B2B kind of business. If we go back few more years, in 2000, there was tool by name Exact Target, which was launched, and former name for this tool is Marketing Cloud or SFMC, which is more widely used name today or in the past. This was again a standalone platform operating on its own, serving B2C brand. Again, keep in mind that Pardot and Exact Target, both of them are standalone platforms, which is operating on a B2B side of business and B2C side of business separately. Parallelly, Salesforce on the other end also had set its sights on marketing sphere after establishing itself as a leader in sales and service. Their entry point to digital marketing was through social media. Okay, so some of the very important years are listed down in this particular section. Um, like as Salesforce entered into marketing ecosystem, the first product that Salesforce acquired was Radian 6 in the year 2011. So it's a social listening platform designed to help brands monitor what was being said about them on social media channels. Then in 2012, Salesforce acquires Buddy Media. Salesforce took the next big step into the marketing game by acquiring Buddy Media. Again, a social media marketing platform which would give business the ability to publish content on social channels, manage their social media ads, and see real time metrics for their advertising efforts. So later in the year 2012, Salesforce officially announced its new marketing cloud, which would integrate Buddy Media and Radian 6. Then later in the year 2012, Pardot was acquired by Exact Target. So as we were speaking about Exact Target and Pardot earlier, Exact Target was a standalone product and Pardot was again a standalone product. In the year 2012, Exact Target, which is a B2C platform, acquired Pardot, which is a B2B platform. So now Exact Target owns two different uh, platforms, that is on B2B and B2C side of business. In the year 2013, Salesforce acquired Exact Target, which is the immediate next year when Exact Target acquired Pardot, that is after 2012, immediate next year, that is 2013, Exact Target was acquired by Salesforce. Parallelly, as Exact Target already owns Pardot, Salesforce acquired both Exact Target and Pardot, serving two different types of business. There were frequent updates on these platforms, part of Salesforce quarterly releases. Later in the year 2018, there were major changes happened in the market, which is worth noting here is Pardot Lightning, which was introduced within Salesforce core. Earlier, we were talking about Pardot, which is a standalone platform, but in 2018, Pardot came into Salesforce core system and named as Pardot Lightning. But during that particular phase, people were still using Pardot as a separate standalone tool. Maybe here and there, some of them were also using Pardot Lightning. Then on the same year, Data Roma acquisition also happened, which was helping customer on analytics related to marketing. Now you might come across this name as Marketing Cloud Intelligence, which is again part of Marketing Cloud Exact Target tool. And then later in 2019, there was introduction of Pardot Einstein, a set of AI-powered features for the Pardot platform that would leverage data already in your Pardot database and use it to give marketers more powerful insights. So Pardot Einstein includes features that enable marketers to group audience based on their engagement score leads by their likelihood to convert and better pinpoint revenue attribution. So all these things was part of Pardot Einstein. And then Pardot was again suffering with reporting related details. And immediately, like in the same year, B2B marketing analytics became available. It felt like during that stage, Pardot went from 0 to 100 million miles away with reporting. So, with the introduction of B2B MA, a Salesforce CRM analytics app designed for marketers, which offers incredible flexibility for marketers to build multiple types of visualization from Pardot data. It also combines Salesforce data sets with Pardot dataset, and ultimately it is going to give you a lot of details on the analytics side. Then later in the year 2020, there was Evergage acquisition, which happened again like an introduction to Interaction Studio, which is now known as MCP or Marketing Cloud Personalization. So Salesforce placed bets on real-time content personalization when they acquired Evergage. Then in the year 2021, MarTech stacks were becoming increasingly more complex with a lot of number of sources feeding huge amount of data into marketing products within Salesforce. To keep up with the industry trends, by then, Salesforce revamped Customer 360 Audience to become as Salesforce CDP. CDP is nothing but a customer data platform which aggregates every data point about an individual customer across multiple platforms represented by an unique identity, and which is now termed as Data Cloud or renamed as Data Cloud. And again, this renaming happened in the year 2023. And CDP was supporting more towards the marketing side of business, whereas Data Cloud is supporting all the other side of the businesses as well, along with marketing. Then coming back to 2022, in the month of April, some major changes happened where most of the products were renamed and given some prefixes having a marketing cloud. So Pardot, which was renamed as Marketing Cloud Account Engagement, and Exact Target, which was earlier called as SFMC, was renamed as Marketing Cloud Engagement. Even today, this name exists. Like even today, we are referring to Pardot as Marketing Cloud Account Engagement and Exact Target as Marketing Cloud Engagement. And what happened next? In 2023, Einstein One platform was introduced, which will help like a foundation for most of the tools within Salesforce ecosystem serving Einstein related features. And in February 2024, Marketing Cloud Growth Edition was launched, which was again targeting SMB customers or small and medium sized business. Within 6 months, like within next 6 months, in the month of October in the same year 2024, Marketing Cloud Advanced Edition was also introduced, which is again an extended version of Growth Edition with maybe here and there some add-ons available. When we say that is an extended version, most of the setup that is available part of Growth Edition is also available in Advanced Edition. But you can also see some add-ons part of Advanced Edition, which is not available in Growth Edition. And there are few other supporting platforms as well, like Marketing Intelligence, which is very newly introduced in the year 2025 March, and which is on core powered by Agentforce and Data Cloud, which will help you in analytics. Also, we have customer loyalty management platform, which supports loyalty and personalized rewards to increase better engagement. So next up on the discussion is how different is these tools. Especially our main goal here is to understand Marketing Cloud Account Engagement, Marketing Cloud Engagement, and Marketing Cloud on core. Starting with Marketing Cloud Account Engagement, which is a major tool serving B2B side of business. As it is a B2B side of business, which means it will be serving people like a prospect who is considered as prospect, lead, contact, account, which involves lead scoring and lead grading, how potential they are to purchase the product or the service that you are offering. That will be decided based on the scoring and grading. Then this particular tool will also help you on emails and some extra channels. Again, there are some add-ons, some app exchange tools that you can embed within account engagement and make use of it. Again, it will be like an extra integration tools and also cost related to it based on your use and need. Then you can also create some forms based on which you can collect information from your potential customers over time. It is more or less like a sign up form where you are going to collect information about your customer and maybe a webinar registration form. Those type of things can also be created within Marketing Cloud Account Engagement. And it is like a low complexity tool. When I say it is low complexity, it is also having what you see is what you get kind of editor where you can have drag and drop functionality. And if you are a code geek, you can also use some coding techniques to enhance your UI. It is also driven I mean to say the data is driven primarily from Salesforce. Most of the initial admin setup you are going to do within Salesforce. And as Marketing Cloud evolved over a period of time, and now we are using Lightning version of it, this is again part of Salesforce core platform. And no more people or maybe customers are using a standalone platform which was earlier available. And this is also having a lower initial price point, but higher if future add-ons are needed. Again, it's based on the business requirement. Next on the list is Marketing Cloud Engagement, which is again a robust platform. Even today, this is a standalone platform. It is not brought into Salesforce core yet, but you can connect Salesforce core with the Marketing Cloud with the help of connector, which is again a out of the box connector available. With some setup here and there as an admin, you can connect both the platform together and see the data flowing between both of them. And in this particular platform, you will have mobile communication, again, social communication. We have something known as Social Sprout, And then paid ads, advertising studio we have within Marketing Cloud engagement, which will help in advertising. And you can also connect to Google Ads through a connector, where you can also enhance your business with the analytics that you get in the Google Ads and also Google Analytics. Then nurture journey with flexibility for including different channels and additional personalization. So journeys is nothing but, if you are from Salesforce background, you can relate this to flows, where you will see end-to-end customer journey from the day they entered into the brand, like the day when they signed up for a brand, what are all the activities they are doing. All these things can be managed within Marketing Cloud engagement, and a relevant communication, whether it is email, SMS, push notification, WhatsApp messages, all these things can be communicated through Marketing Cloud engagement. But complexity wise, especially on the implementation side, it is bit high. You need to have knowledge on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and maybe we have some proprietary scripting languages here, like server-side JavaScript, AMP script, which will help you in better coding and better personalization. And here also you will see some drag and drop functionalities available. If you don't know HTML, CSS, that's okay. You can also play around with drag and drop functionality available to code your emails, landing pages, and yeah, forms as well. But yeah, as I said, to fix some issues, some rendering issues, if you have some little bit of technical skill set, that would be very beneficial. And you also need to know structured query language, or maybe SQL, which will help you in understanding data better. And if you want to segment the data, you can use SQL in a better manner. Okay, then coming to price, this is on higher side. The initial price point is on higher side. That doesn't mean it is too costly and you cannot afford this particular platform. If you have a business need where you are serving B2C customers, then it is very much necessary to go with Marketing Cloud engagement. Then coming to the last part here, Marketing Cloud on core, which is again the core concept that we are going to discuss in our further series. It includes mobile. As of today, it supports SMS and WhatsApp. When I say Marketing Cloud on core, which means both, which includes both growth and advanced edition. So currently it supports SMS, WhatsApp, and email based on the edition that you own. There are some changes here. And then skill set on Salesforce Data Cloud is very much important. For the initial setup, you would need Salesforce skill set just to understand a little bit of admin concepts. And on the segmentation side of data, or how to manage data modeling within Marketing Cloud on core, then you need to understand some basic concepts in Data Cloud as well. Then low complexity compared to Marketing Cloud engagement. Even this particular platform has what you see, what you get kind of editor, drag and drop functionality, and nothing like a complex coding technique that you should know. If you know, well and good, but without which also you can very well work within this particular platform. Lower initial price point, but higher if future add-ons are needed. Um, as we have Data Cloud in place, and also you can have Agentforce out of the box. And again, based on the consumption that you are going to do with the Data Cloud and Agentforce, there will be increase in price that you are going to pay. Okay, with this, we are in the last slide, like pricing related. As we cannot comment anything on pricing, as that is going to evolve based on the products and the features that is going to come up in the future. So we will just discuss about the pricing on the standard or a general manner. Like here, you can see the URL which is mentioned, which you can go and navigate and check all the related pricing for the products which we discussed today in this particular video session. So here are some of the resources that you can go and check about Marketing Cloud, and I have specifically mentioned here about Marketing Cloud engagement. Similarly, you can also search related things in help document or in Trailhead as well, where you can find out related information on Marketing Cloud and account engagement, and here and there about Growth Edition as well, where you need to mention it as a starter, Marketing Cloud starter. And the first YouTube URL is where I did give a session on Marketing Cloud products within Salesforce ecosystem. I think this particular video covers Marketing Cloud engagement, account engagement, and Growth Edition, and its available capabilities. So with this said, we are coming to end of this session, and whoever is watching this video till now, thank you everyone. And if at all, if you have any questions, please do add it in the chat. And also, we can cover this questions on a bi-weekly meet, which I'm going to schedule and inform you on LinkedIn. So please do follow me on LinkedIn and also on X. If you have any questions, you can join me on that particular call where we'll be discussing those questions along with anyone coming up with any new question on the call as well. And yep, so if you like this particular video and if you are interested to learn more about Marketing Cloud on Core or Marketing Cloud Growth Edition in specific, please do continue this journey, and you can wait for next video on this series where we'll be discussing about the Growth Edition in specific and its usage. And if you like this video, do like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who is interested to learn Marketing Cloud. Thank you.